Oh shit! Damn! I mean, shit, man. You did the hand touch. You just went off to the side a little. I was shit.
I mean, it counts for something.
Right through the fence too. Oh my god. Oh, where'd he go? Wait. Oh, what is that? Yes. No, I need that board.
I don't even care that I like maybe clipped the last stair. I firecracker, but we taking that.
Yo, yeah, most deaf. We got two of them anyway, so you know what I'm saying?
I didn't touch.
Damn! Damn! Oh shit! Oh my god. Yo! Damn! In the midst of the dock.
Oh my god.
Dude, new learn, new burn. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Damn. Damn. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god.
What you know about this wax?
You know about this new age wax called doo-doo.
Oh, it actually does smell pretty nice.
You walking home, brother. You're putting that in the car. Oh no. Oh my god, no. That smells kind of crazy. Go.
No! Oh.
Yes! Oh my god!
Let me check that lock.
Oh my god, I couldn't even hold it in. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. God damn. Dude.
Bro, fuck it. I don't know. That was fine.
Bruh. Oh my god.
Do you mind if I clip you too?
What was that?
Do you mind if I clip you too?
Sure. As long as you're like kind of where you are right now, I don't want to like run into you if I
Yeah.
run away.
You're so good.
Oh.
Damn, that was. Oh, boy.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Are you okay? It's nothing. Little ankle roll. I think I'm okay though.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ha! Yeah! Let's fucking go, bro. I should have kept recording. Fuck, you did it twice in a row. Let's fucking go, stash him. Yes, twice in a row.
Dude,
Clean
that,
up,
that
man.
was like the best.
Dude, new learn, new burn. Oh my god, Jesus Christ.